used to try to make something out of nothing. Whatever it is I was doing wasn't working. But now I see because my eyes are finally open. You were meant for me. You were meant for me. Like a thief calling cold in the light. I was heading left, now you got me going right. You woke me up in the middle of my life. You were meant for me. You were meant for me. And you changed me. And you changed the way. You changed the way I look at love. And you changed me. And you changed the way. You changed the way I look at love.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are actually at Nick's parents' house right now. We're having a little pool party in their backyard. Brooklyn is super excited. She's going in the pool. Ollie has his little float in the pool, so it is a gorgeous day out here. Nice, beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we're just having a good time hanging out in the pool and enjoying the weather and some family time. Grandma and Grandpa are struggling to get Brooklyn into her float. Brooklyn, what are they doing to you? What did they do to you, Brooklyn Faith? They're struggling. Good. Good job. Look at that smile from that baby girl. Brooklyn, are you in the pool?
Look at Mommy.
Who's in the pool? Brooklyn, hi. Are you swimming? I see her. She's crazy, girl. You want to go in the pool?
Come on.
You want Mama to come too? Come on, let's go. Ollie's gonna go get on his float. Ollie will not go in the pool without his float. He will not just swim. He has a doggy float that he will sit on and float in the pool because he is a crazy boy. Are you crazy, Oz?
Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on.
Go ahead, get on your float. Get in. Go ahead.
Oh, here comes Ollie.
Ollie's in his float.
Look, Ollie's in the pool.
Good boy, Ollie. He loves his float. It's the only way he'll go in the water. Do any of you guys have crazy dogs who won't get in the water unless they're on a doggy float? We got that doggy float from Amazon last year and he loves it. I don't think we'd be able to survive the summertime without it because if he is not in the pool with us, he sits on the outside and just barks the entire time. But luckily, when he gets to go on his float, he's happy. You're trying to escape your float, Brooklyn. You're not allowed to do that. You have to stay in.
Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Hey, Brooklyn.
Crazy girl.
He's thirsty.
You drinking the water?
He's thirsty.
He said she is, why can't I? Hello. Are you pooping in my pool?
Are you pooping?
Either that, she's trying to put out a good fart. Are you pooping in the pool? No pooping in the pool.
Yeah. No pooping in the pool.
You playing in the grass? Don't eat it. That's yucky. Don't eat the grass. No, no. That's yucky, yucky. What are you doing? Can you stop eating grass, please? Brooklyn's eating grass. Ollie's eating plants. What's up with this? What's up with my babies eating stuff they're not supposed to eat? Did you enjoy your dinner, Brooklyn? It was super yummy, wasn't it? And you had such a fun time in the pool today. Did you have so much fun? Stop eating grass. No, no. Don't eat it. Thank you. Ollie, did you have a good time in the pool today, too? It was such a fun day. Oh, you did? I'm so glad. You were just so intrigued by this grass. Oh, did you find a flower? Nope, don't eat it though. Can I have it? Oh, that was a leaf. Did you find a leaf? You can't eat it. That's yucky. Yucky. Say hi. Good job. I love you. You're such a little explorer. No, stop trying to eat leaves. No. You're just finding every leaf. Stop! What are you doing? Yeah. How big is Brooklyn? Are you so big? You're so cute. I know you don't want to crawl in the grass. You're still not too sure about it, right? Yeah. It's so funny. Yesterday we were in our backyard last night playing before she went to bed. And we put her down in the grass. And she kept leaning forward to try to crawl and put her hands down. Every time she put her hands down, she'd pick them up real quick and then look at them with like this really, really funny face. She didn't want to actually put her hands in the grass to crawl. It was really cute and funny, and she's doing the same thing right now. Except she did just crawl to get a ball that she was interested in. Brooklyn! Stop eating grass. Did you find the ball? Did you get the ball? Yeah? So much fun. Ollie, what do you got? You got a beach ball? Ollie loves a beach ball. Oh, he popped it already, Daddy. Well, that didn't last long, Ollie Bear. What happened? You destroyed that thing in all of 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes, 2 seconds. What'd you do? What'd you do to the beach ball? Well, I think it's clear to say that Ollie won and the beach ball did not. You gonna go on the swings? What do you think? You gonna go on the swings? Yeah. Say we just went for a walk. We walked to the playground. And now I'm gonna get ready to go on the swings. What do you think? Are you excited? Are you excited?
Daddy to help you?
You see Dada? You want Dada to get you out and put you into swings? You ready to go into swings? Look at her, she's like, you can't get me out fast enough. Are you ready? Not too high, Daddy. Ooh. Mama nervous. Mama, look at the smile. What do you think? Are you in the swing? Do you like it? You made Mama nervous when you let go there.
So you keep holding on, okay? Why don't you go? Look. Hold on here. Look. Sit back. Look. Sit back.
And I gotta show you how to do it.
Sit back.
What you want?
Hold on.
Daddy's trying to teach Brooklyn. Say, put my arms through, maybe.
No.
No?
Ready? Let's stay with the little swing.
Yeah, just little
A
ones.
little aggressive to start.
See, I like it. If we had like a blanket or something to put in there with her to make it like more, yeah, so she would like sit back, it'd be different, but. This is Brooklyn's first time on the swings with Mama and Dada. What do you think, girlie? You like it? You see the kids playing?
That's why I face this way.
Ollie, are you enjoying outside? You gonna sit there and eat the grass? Buddy, what are you doing? Yay, Brooklyn Faith! Who likes the swings? You're getting too big. We are hoping that we'll wear Brooklyn and Ollie out so they sleep tonight, because Miss Brooklyn is going through the 8 to 10 month sleep regression and she has not been sleeping at night. She's been waking up between 1 and 2 and staying up for a couple hours, or just staying up for the rest of the night. Oh, Ollie's pulling me. Sorry, guys. What are you doing? Yay, Brooklyn! Ollie wants to explore. You trying to explore at the park? You having fun, bud? Get you, Brooklyn! Get you, Brooklyn! Are you enjoying yourself? You're so big! Yeah. We're gonna go have, come on, Elsa. We're gonna go have Brooklyn ride the duck or the horse over here. Ollie's just excited to check everything out. He's having a good time. Whee! Just don't bang your face, okay?
I will bang.
Yeah. Yay! Brooklyn's on a horsey!
Gotta control your head a little bit there.
Well, that's why I said we can't do it too much, because she'll... Oh! Oh! Playground disaster! We just left the park. Brooklyn and Ollie both made some friends there. They had so much fun. They met a couple kids. Ollie got some love from kids and he was so excited about it. It was super cute. Brooklyn had such a good time on the swings. She was enjoying it so much. Right? And guys, check this out. Look at how she's sitting in her stroller now. We just flipped it today because she's too big and she wants to face out. She doesn't want to face Mommy and Daddy anymore. She wants to see what is going on. Do not throw that bottle, girly girl.
No, throw that.
So she, I know, she is now flipped around this way and she's loving every second of it. It is a gorgeous day. We are having such a nice day together. We just got back home from our walk. Now we're hanging out in the backyard. Ollie's over there chewing his bone, enjoying every second of it. He literally makes us come in the backyard just so he can lay in the grass and chew his bone. And he is one happy puppy. Okay guys, I think we're gonna say goodnight and end this vlog here. This vlog was actually yesterday and today's vlog. We had the little pool party yesterday at Nick's parents' house, and then today is actually Monday, and I had work earlier today, but when I got home from work, we had dinner, and then we went out and had a fun time. So we hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you're not already a subscriber, we'd love to have you join our family and watch our crazy lives. And watch this little miss grow up and have so much fun this summer. We've got a lot of fun things planned. We got a family vacation coming up, so lots of exciting things happening, so stay tuned. Say peace out, homies. Thanks for watching. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. They're too busy eating my cups, Mom. I'm not saying anything. You're crazy. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.